So Sarah, why would a work management platform like Quickbase be an advantage for those organizations looking for dashboards, looking to get ahead in their digital transformation?
So one word that comes to mind, flexibility. So Quickbase has multiple options out there right now. First off, we have pro apps. We have apps that are already built out for manufacturers to use on day one. They're ready to go. Just plug in your data and go. We also have templates out there available to download and then build upon. They have the foundation to them, but then you need to add in your own data. So, and then we have what Quickbase is known for, build your own. Your own platform as far as manufacturers go, so they have a blank canvas in front of them. If they value stream map it out right, they can build it and they can start using it. It doesn't take months to build it out. It takes a matter of hours. But with that though, even though it's a blank canvas, it could also be scary. I mean, it's a whole new system. You don't know what's going on. We have an amazing support group. We have a community crew group. We have tech teams available for calls and help and all that. So yeah.